Hey guys, welcome back to LJ Woodworks. Today's video we're going to be using up a bunch of scrap wood or offcuts. We'll be using the bandsaw and a circle cutting jig. There's also going to be a whole bunch of sanding, but thanks to YouTube magic you won't have to suffer through it. Now this project would go way faster if my lathe was working, but my lathe is currently broken. So let's get started. We're going to start off with the benchtop planer just to get everything down to a uniform size. From here I'm going to use the compass and go ahead and set everything to a 5-inch diameter. Get ready to get cut over on the bandsaw. Right now we're going to keep everything square, and that's going to make sense here in just a bit. I ended up changing my mind on this walnut, but you'll still see it later in the video. Now that is beech, walnut, walnut, and then cherry. This is why we left everything square at the bandsaw earlier. Now this is where the lathe would have absolutely shined. Being able to mount each one of these blocks in between center, cut it round, use the parting tool to cut off the various pieces, just would have been so much easier. Now here I'm just showing you how I clamp it. After this I started using tape first, so I'd get the glue in there, put several pieces of tape on it, and then put the spring clamps on. Seemed to work better that way. Now I know I haven't shown you what the whole project is yet, but this is where you can get very creative. You can cut any shape that you want. This is actually the centerpiece. Anything you want to do, get the scroll saw out, just have fun with it. Now if you guys don't have one of these rubber erasers for cleaning up your sandpaper, they are awesome. They're available Harbor Freight. You can get them on Amazon, lots of different places. Highly recommend it. For my first coat of finished, I used the shellac that you see right there. After that, I like to switch over to Deft Lacquer. And here it is. This is my take on what's commonly referred to as a twig pot. There's that walnut that you saw earlier. You notice the base on that one was meant to be a segmented turning, but with my lathe broke, I will make do. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my little video. If you did, go ahead and do the YouTube stuff with the like, subscribe, comment, all that. Still got to figure out what I'm going to do for a base for the other one. I have to think about that for a bit. If you got any suggestions, put it down in the comments. Thanks. Bye.